Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, as earlier, I have told you all that I'm going to share two videos in a week, two long videos related English speaking English challenge, and yeah, spoken English and from basic. And one more thing is there. I'm also informing you that while practicing, I keep sharing my Excel, Power BI, data analytics skills. So it will be very helpful to for your career. So guys, if you are interested, then don't miss any videos. Keep watching all the long videos, and meanwhile, I will keep sharing my short videos that will be very helpful to improve yourself, whether it is in spoken English or it is skills like Excel, Power BI, and having after learning this you will be able to make dashboards that is very necessary nowadays in your career. So guys, let me start first about from scratch about tenses. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to speak English, then guys, you should start from basic. And the main thing about spoken English is tense. Do you know about tense? What is tense? If we talk about time and what the action we are doing, that is called tense. So there are three tenses: present, past, and future. One must learn this kind of whether we should use, so we can start. And every three tenses there are four categories. One must learn about that. So first, in present, we can start from present simple tense. Yeah, so in present simple tense, guys, in present simple tense, there is a formula one should use, or not formula, it is a rule number one, that in present simple tense we should use he or she. It is singular. If the subject is singular, then one must use does. One must use does, does. One must use does. And if the subject is plural, whether it is I, you, or any plural things, from with that you should use do. And plus object, what is the coming after that? So you must have in your mind, it is just consume, fix it in your mind that you must know about that, the core thing about present simple tense, that where you have to use do and where you have to use does. And what is the use of do or does when we use? Then in the Hindi, when we speak any sentences like मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, ता है, ती है, you have to understand like this, that what you are doing on the daily basis. We use present simple tense in daily routine and habits, the facts, what is going on right now, what is the present we are doing, that is called present simple tense. So in present simple tense, you described your general routine, daily facts, general truth, that kind of things. And in present, what you are doing, you also is described. And the main thing about spoken English, that most of the time you have to use 90% present simple tense when communicating with others. So you must focus on present simple tense. And as I have described, go watch many videos related tense, we and practice. When anyone say in मैं खाता हूँ, मैं जाता हूँ, मैं गाता हूँ, मैं whatever करता हूँ, so whenever you do anything, does just use do or does. When it is singular, you use does. When it is plural, like I and you and any serious subjects, you should use do. And practice it again and again. ता है, मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं जाता हूँ, I go. I with I you should use go, not goes, because I is plural, and as it is first just learn first case, yeah. So in first case we should use uh, do, and he say it with does. So guys, just try to practice more and more this kind of thing, like keep in your mind repeating मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं जाता हूँ, I was, and when every another person like he वो जाता है, then he goes, वो खाता है, he eats, वो जाता है, he goes, like this. You have to practice, start practicing, and start speaking present simple tense, start making sentences by using present simple tense, and record in front of camera. This is the only way to improve yourself to spoken English. I'm not going to detail to deepen to learn these tenses. I just inform you what is needed to learn to start your speaking English journey. And if you do this kind of things, you can easily speak. So guys, just try to practice, learn present simple tense, and watch more videos from here and there. And if you are not able, then read any book about present simple tenses. You will get the ideas, and just practicing, keep practicing in your mind that मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं जाता हूँ, I go, he वो जाता है, he eats, वो खाता है, he eats, वो जाता है, he goes. So like this, you can keep repeating in your mind, and at the very earliest, you will start feeling that yes, you are able to making sentences by yourself. So guys, start making sentences on present simple tense. This is the task for you. Start making 5 sentences and comment. If you are not able to make, then only you can comment. If you are able to make sentences, then go in front of camera and try to speak 5 sentences about yourself or habit or any other things. Just start. It is the only way to start your speaking English journey. After having 30 days video channel challenge, as I have shared in my channel, go watch, and what are the things you should do, I have already shared you. So right now I am detailing you from scratch that what kind of tenses, what should you learn in to get more fluency. So just guys, try to it, and thank you, bye bye. And my next video, long video, will be on Thursday related Excel. So keep watching and keep learning. Here I am making practice, I am also improving myself, I am learning, and I thought that while practicing, if I keep sharing, then it will be helpful for others. So guys, utilize and just explore yourself in your life. Thank you, bye bye.